Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. Coming your way is the Big Cats Quiz. You will be tested on their strength, speed, habitats, and unique behaviors. 40 questions, 10 seconds. Are you ready? Hit the like button. Let's begin. Which is the largest big cat? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Jaguar. Answer: tiger. The Siberian tiger is the largest cat species in the world. Find the odd one out. A. Lion. B. Hyena. C. Tiger. Answer: hyena. The hyena is not a feline. It belongs to its own family, Hyenidae. Which big cat is known for its distinctive mane? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Lion. Answer: lion. Male lions grow thick manes that signal strength and maturity. Which big cat is native mainly to the Americas? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Lion. Answer: jaguar. Jaguars live primarily in Central and South America. Listen carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whose roar is that? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Jaguar. Tiger, of course. Were you able to guess that? Which big cat is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Leopard. C. Tiger. Answer: cheetah. Cheetahs can sprint at speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. Which big cat is the strongest swimmer? A. Lion. B. Leopard. C. Tiger. Answer: tiger. Tigers enjoy water and are excellent long-distance swimmers. Which big cat has the strongest bite relative to its size? A. Lion. B. Leopard. C. Jaguar. Answer: jaguar. Jaguars can crush skulls and shells with their bite. Which big cat hunts cooperatively in groups? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Answer: lion. Lions are the only big cats that live and hunt in prides. Examine carefully. Guess the big cat. A. Cheetah. B. Leopard. C. Jaguar. Great! It's the jaguar. Did you get that right? Which big cat has rosette-shaped spots? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. Answer: leopard. Leopards have dark rosettes that help them blend into their forest surroundings. Which one is not a big cat? A. Bobcat. B. Tiger. C. Leopard. Answer: bobcat. The bobcat is a medium-sized North American cat, not classified as a big cat. Which big cat is famous for its powerful roar? A. Cheetah. B. Snow leopard. C. Lion. Answer: lion. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Which big cat species is endangered worldwide? A. Snow leopard. B. Lion. C. Tiger. Answer: tiger. Habitat loss and poaching threaten tiger populations. Which big cat lives mainly in cold mountain regions? A. Jaguar. B. Snow leopard. C. Lion. Answer: snow leopard. Snow leopards are adapted to high-altitude, snowy environments. Which big cat has black, tear-like marks on its face? A. Leopard. B. Cheetah. C. Jaguar. Answer: cheetah. These marks reduce glare from the sun. Which big cat kills prey using a crushing bite? A. Leopard. B. Lion. C. Jaguar. Answer: jaguar. Jaguars often kill by biting directly through the skull. Which big cat is most active during the day? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. Answer: cheetah. Cheetahs hunt during daylight to avoid larger predators. Which big cat is famous for dragging prey into trees? A. Leopard. B. Lion. C. Tiger. Answer: leopard. Leopards stash prey in trees to keep it safe from scavengers. Which big cat has the thickest fur? A. Jaguar. B. Snow leopard. C. Cheetah. Answer: snow leopard. Their dense fur protects them from freezing temperatures. Which big cat is found mainly in Africa and India? A. Tiger. B. Leopard. C. Lion. Answer: lion. Lions live in Africa, with a small population in India. Which big cat has rosettes with spots inside them? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Cheetah. Answer: jaguar. This pattern helps distinguish jaguars from leopards. Which big cat has black stripes on orange fur? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Tiger. Answer: tiger. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique, like fingerprints. Which big cat is mostly solitary by nature? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. Answer: tiger. Tigers prefer to live and hunt alone, unlike social lions. Which is the smallest of these big cats? A. Leopard. B. Cheetah. C. Lion. Answer: cheetah. Cheetahs are lighter and more slender than other big cats. Which big cat has partially webbed paws? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. Answer: tiger. This helps them swim efficiently. Which big cat has solid black spots instead of rosettes? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Cheetah. Answer: cheetah. Cheetahs have small, solid black spots that serve as camouflage. Can you name the big cat? A. Cheetah. B. Tiger. C. Leopard. That's cheetah. I hope you got it. Which big cat uses its long tail for balance on cliffs? A. Cheetah. B. Snow leopard. C. Lion. Answer: snow leopard. Their thick tail acts like a balancing tool. Which big cat has the widest geographic range? A. Jaguar. B. Leopard. C. Lion. Answer: leopard. Leopards live across Africa and large parts of Asia. Which big cat is called the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Jaguar. C. Lion. Answer: lion. This title reflects the lion's dominance and social structure. How long does a lion sleep each day? A. 8 hours. B. 20 hours. C. 12 hours. Answer: 20 hours. Lions are inactive for about 20 hours a day to conserve energy. Which big cat has the longest canine teeth? A. Leopard. B. Jaguar. C. Tiger. Answer: tiger. Their long canines help grip and kill large prey. Which big cat cannot fully retract its claws? A. Cheetah. B. Leopard. C. Jaguar. Answer: cheetah. This helps cheetahs maintain traction while sprinting. Which big cat prefers rainforests and wetlands? A. Jaguar. B. Lion. C. Snow leopard. Answer: jaguar. Jaguars thrive in dense, wet environments. Which big cat is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Leopard. C. Tiger. Answer: tiger. The Bengal tiger is a symbol of strength in India. Which big cat can't roar? A. Snow leopard. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Answer: snow leopard. Despite being a big cat, the snow leopard's vocal cords do not allow it to roar. Which big cat generally avoids water? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Jaguar. Answer: lion. While they can swim if necessary, lions generally prefer to avoid water. Which big cat is known for extremely powerful forelimbs? A. Jaguar. B. Leopard. C. Cheetah. Answer: jaguar. Their strength allows them to overpower large prey. Which big cat is best known for stealth and camouflage? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Answer: leopard. Leopards are masters of silent movement and concealment. Well done on completing the Big Cats quiz. Leave your score in the comments and tell us which big cat is your favorite. If you enjoyed this quiz, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz Terrain for more fun and educational challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next quiz.